Hello everyone, it's Adam here at Stretch Your English. I'm here to share ideas and resources for teachers of English to speakers of other languages. In this video, I'll be sharing an activity which I call News Finder, Digital Dice. And I'll just start this video with a quick anecdote. I remember several years ago when I was doing my initial teaching Trinity Cert TESOL English teaching qualification. On my first day for my first observed lesson, I needed a dice, but I didn't have any dice. And I remember running around Barcelona trying to find some dice in a shop somewhere. Eventually I asked someone in the school and they said, yeah, sure, we've got loads here that you can use. And thinking back, it was a bit crazy of me to panic like that. Ever since then, I always keep some dice with me whenever I'm teaching. I don't use them very often nowadays, to be honest. But I still think that the general concept of incorporating fate in the classroom, and by that I mean a decision being made not by the teacher, not by the students, but by a third party, such as the roll of a dice, is something which can be useful. With that in mind, I've created this very simple activity which you could use to set up a news article finding task to help students practice their summarising, predicting and critical thinking skills. Could be useful for an EAP class or simply as a no prep activity, or at least a low prep activity for a last minute cover lesson. As with many of these activities, it's built with Genially, and you can find the description and the link to this activity below this video here on YouTube in the description below. Once you've clicked that link to the resource, it will open in your browser. So here you can see News Finder Digital Dice. Let's choose a number. Let's go for number 1. Okay, so find a news article about. And now we have to choose a shape. Let's go for maybe the hexagon. Okay, find a news article about business and prepare. Now let's choose a colour. Maybe we'll go for red. 3 questions to ask the writer. Okay. So you can see that this is a simple way to set up a task whereby the student has to navigate the internet or even a newspaper. It doesn't have to be something high-tech. In order to find a news article and complete some kind of task. Let's roll the dice one more time. Okay, let's go for maybe 4 this time. You'll see that it's exactly the same page with the same shapes, same colours, and it will also include the same topics and tasks. However, with each number, 1 to 6, those topics and tasks are behind different shapes and different colours. This is to stop the whole interactive virtual dice activity from becoming a bit too predictable. So let's perhaps choose a star this time. Okay, find a news article about education, and maybe we'll go for this nice orange, a 3-minute spoken summary. So this student would have to find a news article about education and prepare a 3-minute spoken summary. Okay, have fun with it. My next video will be a surprise for you as well as me, because I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. But as ever, please do subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with these, or visit all these links and ideas on my website, stretchyourenglish.com. You can also check me out on Instagram at stretchyourenglish, or message me directly, stretchyourenglish@gmail.com. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.